Hey everyone, I'm finally making a video for all of those of you in my audience who are really interested in biohacking, in wearables, in HRV, and in real-time data. So for all of you who have things like Oura rings or Whoops or other monitoring systems, or for those of you who are really curious about those types of devices, but maybe never trust the accuracy of them, or maybe never know what to do with all that data in order to implement it in a meaningful way in your lives, this video series that I'm creating right now is for you. I recently partnered with a company called Oxa, and their goal is really to produce the best, most accurate wearable on the market, particularly in regards to HRV, which is heart rate variability, for those of you unfamiliar with the acronym. They just sent me over their strap and their sensor to try out in conjunction with their free breathing app. And so today's video is really going to be sort of a quick unboxing video, my first unboxing video, just to show you guys what it is and how simple it is. And then I'll be back soon with more videos that are focused on how it actually works in real time. If you're new to the channel, my name is Tara Bianca, and I am a longtime holistic health practitioner and functional breathing coach, sharing tips to help you breathe better, move better, and be better. Okay, let's get to the quick unboxing, and then I'll see you again at the end of the video. Okay, so let's open up the box and see what's inside. Start your journey. Okay, we've got a little pamphlet here. Okay, so this has all the instructions in it. Easy. Get ready to breathe with Oxa. Good garment care. Great. Comes in a bunch of different languages. Oh, nice. Oh yeah. Oh wow, so this is the new strap that they're creating that I think they are just starting to release. Oh wow, this looks like an improvement on the previous models. It looks like it's better adapted to your body size. It looks like it has a nicer closure on it. It looks like it's easier to get on. I know the earlier versions you had to slip them over your head, so this is like a nice Velcro feature. Cool. The material is really nice. It feels like this would be pretty comfortable on your skin, much better than a lot of sort of your regular chest straps. And it looks like it won't be that kind of invasive or uncomfortable, so that's really cool. Yeah, I'm excited to try it on. Looks really good, looks really comfortable, looks pretty minimal. Awesome. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so we've got, how do I get this open? We're almost there. Okay. All right, cool. So this is the charger, obviously. This looks like a USB-C to a USB-A. And then, wow, okay, the sensor's really tiny, very light, very portable, again, very minimal. Wow, it weighs nothing. Okay, so this is the sensor that you attach to the chest strap, and then this will sync with the app in order to get your data in real time. So that's really cool. Looks like it's really easy to charge. I have to charge it before I can do a demo, so I will get on that right now. And then is there anything else in this box? I think the rest is just filler. I don't think there's anything in here. Maybe there is. Let's double check. Nope, I'm pretty sure it's just filler. Oh boy. Let's see. Oh, no, this is important. What is it? Ah, okay, yeah. Oh, nice. So it's like a little wooden stand that you can put your cell phone in so that when you're utilizing the app, you have something to hold your phone in place and that you can read in real time. Not essential, but a nice little added additional bonus feature. Cool, so I'm excited to check the app out, and I am excited to charge the sensor and try on the chest strap and then see how it all syncs together. This is gonna be really cool. Okay, so super simple, right? You put on the chest strap, you snap the sensor to it, you open your phone, and you simply follow along with the guided sessions. In my next few videos, I'll actually put the chest strap on and demonstrate it for you in real time. I'll show you that HRV feature and make some suggestions about how to work with it. And I'll also give you my honest opinion on wearables in general, the pros and the cons, and who might benefit from them the most. If you're curious about the Oxa wearable, I've secured a 10% off discount for my audience. You can find the affiliate link in the video description, and please be sure to also use my discount code at checkout in order to get your discount. You can find that in the video description as well. Let me know in the comments if you use wearables or not, why, what do you do with all that data, and which wearables are you actually using? It also helps the channel so much if you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.